Most people who want to sell something online get stuck at the same point. They know they want to create a digital product. They know digital products can generate income while they sleep. But when they try to figure out what to actually sell, they freeze. They think they need a course, a book, or a service. They think they need a large audience, years of expertise, or a brand that people already trust. Templates require none of those things. A template is a pre-built solution to a specific repeated problem. A business proposal template. A social media content calendar. A project tracker. A student study planner. A freelancer invoice. These are not complicated products. They are useful tools that save people time, and people pay for time savings consistently and enthusiastically. AI helps you identify what templates people are actively buying, build them faster than any manual process, package them professionally, and have them live for sale within a single day. Today I am showing you the complete system. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why templates sell faster than almost any other digital product. Knowledge products, courses, ebooks, guides, require the buyer to invest time and effort to extract the value. The buyer has to read, watch, apply, and practice before the value arrives. Templates deliver value instantly. The buyer downloads the template, opens it, and immediately has something useful. No learning curve. No implementation lag. The shortcut is the product. This is why templates convert at higher rates than most digital products at comparable price points. The value proposition is immediate and obvious. The buyer does not have to imagine what it will be like to benefit, they can see it before they purchase. And because templates are built once and sold repeatedly with no delivery cost, they are one of the most scalable income models available to any creator or solopreneur. Identifying your most profitable template niche. The four most commercially active template categories are business, productivity, content creation, and education. Business templates cover the documents and frameworks that professionals and entrepreneurs use repeatedly. Proposals, contracts, invoices, meeting agendas, project plans, pitch decks, and business plans. Buyers in this category are often spending money from a business budget rather than a personal one, which means price sensitivity is lower and conversion rates are higher. Productivity templates cover personal and professional organization systems. Daily planners, habit trackers, goal-setting frameworks, weekly review templates, and life admin dashboards. Buyers in this category are looking for a system they have been meaning to build themselves but have not found the time to create. Content creation templates cover the repeatable formats that creators use every week. Content calendars, caption frameworks, newsletter structures, blog post outlines, and social media post templates. Buyers in this category are often buying time. The template removes the blank page problem from their weekly workflow. Education templates cover study systems, revision planners, essay frameworks, and exam preparation tools. The student market is enormous and consistently underserved by quality digital products. Ask Claude which of these four categories best matches your existing knowledge or experience, and which specific problem within that category is most frequently searched for and least well served by existing products. Building your templates with AI. Once you have identified your niche and your specific template type, Claude does most of the creation work. Give Claude a detailed brief. The exact type of template. The specific person who will use it. The problem it solves and what done looks like for that person. Any specific sections, fields, or frameworks the template should include. Ask Claude to design the complete template structure, every section, every field, every instruction, and every placeholder text that guides the user through completing it. Claude produces a complete template architecture in minutes that would take hours to design manually from scratch. Then build the template itself in Notion, Google Docs, Canva, or a spreadsheet, depending on the format your target buyer uses most naturally. The structure Claude designed becomes the blueprint. You build it into the tool. A well-built template takes 2 to 4 hours to create from Claude's brief to finished product. Plan for one focused morning per template. Packaging and setting up your shop. A professionally presented template sells significantly better than the same template presented poorly. Ask Claude to write everything the listing needs. A clear product title. A description that opens with the specific problem it solves and closes with what the buyer receives. 3 to 5 bullet points covering the key features and time saved. And a frequently asked questions section that handles the most common hesitations before they become objections. Create 3 to 5 preview images in Canva showing the template in use, what it looks like completed and how the key sections work. Buyers make purchasing decisions heavily based on preview images. List on a digital product marketplace that handles payment, file delivery, and customer management automatically. Set a price that reflects the time your template saves rather than the time it took to create. Getting your first traffic. Your template is live. Now 3 people need to know it exists. Share it in the online communities where your target buyer spends time. Business template buyers live in entrepreneur communities, freelancer forums, and professional groups. Productivity template buyers cluster around personal development and self-improvement communities. Content template buyers gather in creator communities and marketing groups. Do not post a link and leave. Provide genuine value in the community first, answer questions, share useful insights, contribute to conversations. Then share your template in the context of a problem the community has been discussing. Relevant, contextual sharing converts significantly better than promotional posting. Ask Claude to write 3 social media posts for each platform where your audience is active, each one demonstrating the value of the template through a specific example rather than promoting the sale directly. Your action plan starting today. Choose your niche and your specific template type with Claude today. Build your first template this week. Write your listing copy and create your preview images. Publish before the weekend. From not knowing what to sell to having a live digital product in less than a week. What template do you think you could build this week that someone would genuinely pay for? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this finally showed you what you could sell online, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.